Hey y'all, happy Friday. I know you're looking at me like, girl, why'd you just come on camera with your scarf on your head? It's because I'm getting ready, sis. It's because I'm getting ready. And you should be too. Let me tell you why. Today is the last day of October. And Living Unfiltered has some things coming up for you. One, today is your last day to get $50 off your retreat registration by watching the replay of the webinar and grab your discount code. So go to the link in bio and get that. Two, the retreat registration deadline is coming up November 15th. We only have a couple spots left. Get your spot, sis. We want to see you in the room. And three, did you see that we have a fundraiser coming up November 7th? We got paint, poetry, pastries, and more. And we want to see you there. So sis, get ready.